Hi, in this video we'll be talking about escape sequences. Escape characters or sequences are characters or sequences used to escape the special meaning of another character. We use the backslash character to escape characters. So let's have a look at some of the most important escape sequences. The first one is \n. This is the line feed or the Newline character. This sequence is used for a new line. Let's have a look. A equals, let's break the line right here. Here we have this escape sequence which should break this line into two. So let's print A. And it works. Let's break the line right here. Escape sequences don't work if we echo strings. So here we'll get something like this. As we can see, this escape sequence is here included in the string. It doesn't work as an escape character. Fine. Another escape character is \t. This means horizontal tab. This sequence adds tabs. Here we have an example. A equals, we need more tab, 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 and so on, tabs. And now we can print out. Print A. We need more. Here we have all the tabs. So, as you can see, these are tabs. Then, we have a double backslash. This sequence should be used if you need a single backslash. So, for example, A equals, I need a single backslash here. And now we can print out. And we get a single backslash. If you need a double one, just add one more. Fine. Print A. And now we have a double backslash in the string. Okay, another escape sequence is \, single quote. This sequence is used for a single quote. So, here's our example. A equals, how about a single quote, he asked. And we want this single quote to be printed here, although this is inside this string which is itself enclosed in single quotes. So if we have a string enclosed in single quotes, we can still use single quotes inside the string provided we use this escape sequence. And now let's print it out. As you can see, it works. How about a single quote, he asked? Fine. And we also have another sequence like this with a double quote. So \, double quote. And this is used for a double quote inside a string. So here's our example. Double quote seems right. Again, we have a double quote inside a string which is enclosed in double quotes. In order for this to work, we need this escape sequence. Print A. Double quote seems right. Fine. Then the next escape sequence is backslash u xxxx, and here this means a Unicode character with 16-bit hex value xxxx. So this is a 16-bit hex value. Now this sequence can be used for Unicode characters. For example, if we want to print the letter capital A, we can of course use the capital A because it's very easy to type it from the keyboard. Instead, we can use the Unicode value of the capital A character, like so. A equals the first letter is, and here we have the escape sequence, so U, which means Unicode, and this is the 16-bit hex value of the capital A character. And now we can check it out. So print A. The first letter is capital A. Well, sometimes it isn't that easy. This is particularly useful for characters from other alphabets. You can find the Unicode code points online. For example, let's take this code point, U plus 19EC. This is the Unicode code point that you can find online. And here's our variable. A equals, what does, here we have our escape sequence which corresponds to this code point. And here's how it works. Print A. What does, well, I'm not even trying to read it, mean? So this character is probably not on your keyboard, but you can still use it if you know the code point in Unicode. Or let's try one more. Now this time let's take the following code point, U plus 231A. A equals watch your, and here is our escape sequence which corresponds to this code point. Fine. Let's print it out. Print A. Watch your watch. This character is hidden under this value. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.